Section 13 of Birds, Volume 3, Number 2, February 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Alex Foster. www.alexfoster.me.uk. What is an egg? How many people crack an egg, swallow the meat, and give it no further thought? Yet to a reflective mind the egg constitutes, it has been said, the greatest wonder of nature. The highest problems of organic development, and even of the succession of animals on earth, are embraced here. Every animal springs from an egg, is a dictum of Harvey that has become an axiom. In an egg one would suppose the yolk to be the animal. This is not so. It is merely food. The animal is the little whitish circle seen on the membrane enveloping the yolk. We hope to group a number of eggs, to enable our readers to compare their size and shape, from that of the Epiomis, 6 times the size of an ostrich egg, down to the tiny egg that is found in the soft nest of the hummingbird. This gigantic egg is a foot long and 9 inches across, and would hold as much as 50,000 hummingbirds' eggs. End of section 13. This recording is in the public domain.